ask the universe for money? What if you could get rich just by believing you could get rich? A rapidly growing industry of social media finance mentors says it's possible, for a price. How do you go about asking the universe for money? Are you one of the many people who wish to manifest a large sum of money? Have you tried and tried again with no success? If so, this video is for you. I'll show you how to ask the universe for money, and it's actually a lot easier than you think. Are you prepared? Okay, let's get started. So, you want money? I'm not exaggerating when I say that manifesting money is the most popular desire. Surprised? No, I knew you wouldn't. Many people aspire to live a life of abundance and financial independence. I'm assuming you're one of them. That is why you have come to watch this video. To learn and put it into practice. Because if everything worked perfectly, you wouldn't be here, would you? Don't worry, you'll learn how to request money from the universe. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I'm all about simplicity. This isn't an exception. I want to keep things plain and simple. I want you to succeed. So, easy is key. All the time. Good? See link in description. Before you ask the universe for money. As with any manifestation, everything begins with your desire. Asking the universe for money is no different than asking for anything else. Because the process is the same, once you've learned how to manifest anything, you can do it again and again. So, let us discuss your desire. What are your financial goals? How much money would you like to manifest? Make a note of it. Be as specific as possible. Start with something simple if you're new to this. Why should you ask the universe for something small? So, allow me to explain. Because like attracts like, and your vibration must match the vibration of your desire. Begin slowly. See link in description. It is easier to vibrate and attract what you believe you can manifest. If you set the bar too high at first, you may begin to doubt your ability to manifest. It can be difficult to get into the mindset of having your desire already when you don't believe you can. It is, in fact, impossible. It is necessary for you to feel the sensation of having your desire before you begin. That sensation is the vibration you seek. Your vibration is determined by how you feel and your emotions. You won't be able to vibrate at the same frequency as a Ferrari if you don't believe you can afford it. Don't forget your why. Your why is critical because it will assist you in visualizing and experiencing the sensation of having your desire. If it helps, write it down as well. Why do you want the amount you'd like to manifest? What will you do with that money? The steps for asking the universe for money. Here are the steps to requesting money from the universe. Be very clear and specific about what you want. The precise amount. Knowing why you want it will also help. Visualize and feel how you would feel if you already had your desire. The feeling is important because your emotions influence your vibrations. Allow yourself to let go of how and when your desire will manifest. The universe will fulfill your desire at the perfect divine time. If you are concerned about how or when it will manifest, or why it hasn't, you are preventing your desire from manifesting. You attract more lack by focusing on it. Take inspired action in the direction of your desire. Consider what small step you can take today to move closer to your goal. See link in description. Act when you feel the nudges of inspiration aligning with your desire. When will there be signs that it is working? This is significant. If your manifestation is approaching, don't waste time analyzing what signs to look for. What are you signaling to the universe by doing so? Lack. You're fixated on the lack of your desire. This is a big no-no. So, please, don't look for omens. The more you search and analyze, the longer it will take. When you ask the universe for help, the key to letting go is. This is worth repeating because I see it all the time. Let go means let go. There is nothing else. Nothing will happen if you focus on signs and stress the absence of your desire. I understand that it is easier said than done. However, it is critical if you want to manifest successfully. Allow yourself to be detached from the outcome. Consider it a bonus if it occurs. If you take that approach, you will be much better off and will vibrate at a higher frequency as a result. In summary, this is how you ask the universe for money. Okay, let's wrap this up. See link in description. Asking the universe for money is very common, so you're in good company. The way you ask the universe for money is the same way you ask the universe for other things. Whatever the manifestation, the process is the same. In a nutshell, it goes like this. You must be crystal clear about what you want. Because we're talking about money in this video, be specific about how much you'd like to manifest. Also, understand why you want it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself having that money right now. Beforehand. How does it make you feel? The feeling is everything. It is critical to let go of how and when it will manifest in your life. When you get a nudge to do something or go somewhere, you take inspired action. It doesn't have to be a huge leap, a small step will suffice. Take a deep breath and consider how that step feels. Feeling is also important here. Believe in your intuition. Subscribe, like, comment, share our videos. Tap into your abundance today. Unlimited universe.